This video is about how I prep my wigs, how we're bleaching, how we're plucking, how we wash the wigs, how to prepare the wig before the install is what we're doing today. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Wealthie, and I'm back with another video. It's the new year, so this is an updated video, so you get to learn all the new tricks, tips, and techniques, so you can make sure you're up on it to make sure your wigs is prepared before you slap that thing on your head. So let's get into it, y'all. I got this unit right here from Getty Hair. This is a honey blonde wig, 24 inches, also a 13x4. It has an elastic band with an inside and the 3 combs as well to make sure your wig is secure. But I forgot to mention that this hair is also body wave, okay? And it says it's 24 inches, but I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of giving like it's shorter than 24 inches. I don't know. We're gonna have to see, because maybe it's the curls, maybe not, but this wig is not giving 24 inches, okay? But the curls are popping up. The hair doesn't smell weird at all. It doesn't have any weird chemical smell to it. And also the hair does not shed as I put my finger through it. Literally, I only got 2 strands that came out on my hair. And that's fine. You feel me? It's normal. This hair has been in a package for so long that it's gonna, if it sheds anything, it's normal. But I just ran my fingers through it again and it's not shed. Sometimes when you are about to bleach or you look in the inside of your wig, sometimes you have little hairs that's sticking through the lace. Best thing to do is either get tweezers and pull them through so the little hairs will get out the way, or you could do what I'm doing, is just grab them piece by piece and just pull them out. First thing I'm about to do is I am going to loosen up the knots. Now how we loosen up the knots is we get our developer. We don't have to pour so much in here because we just need a small amount to fill the lace, but we're gonna pour this in the bowl. This is how much developer that I have in here. You could use a little bit less than this, but you shouldn't use no more than this amount anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip my brush in, make sure I get a good consistency of it on the brush, and I'm going to lather this onto the lace on the inside. Make sure you're gentle, not too heavy-handed, and that's how we're gonna loosen up the knots. Just be mindful while you're doing this, sometimes more hair is gonna come through. Only thing you can do is just pull the hair out so it won't be in your way. Okay, so this is how it's looking on the inside. And y'all see all those little black dots? Those are the knots. So that's what we need to loosen up in order to bleach the knots properly. So the developer is gonna lift that up so it can be easier to bleach and you won't see as many black dots as you see right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit between 15 to 25 minutes just so those knots can loosen up really, really good. And yeah, then we can move on to the next step.
It's J Mark.
Okay, so now we have the right consistency for the bleaching. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bleach on the lace. Make sure you do not press too hard into the lace because you don't want it to seep into the hair and bleach the hair. So we just want to just lather it very smoothly onto the lace so it can bleach, and then put our aluminum foil all on and let this sit for between 25 to 30 minutes. So let's get into it. Alright, so I rinsed out the bleach on the lace or whatever. You can see the difference from when it was brassy to this kind of blonde color that it has now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this neutralizing shampoo and I'm going to wash the lace. This is going to make sure all the product and all the bleach is not on the lace anymore, and make sure that it stops the process of the bleaching, because if you don't wash it out, it's just gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna wash it with this first, and then I'm gonna go in with my purple shampoo. I know it's a little bottle, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. And I think this is the purple shampoo, and this is gonna get any of the brassiness out of the lace. So let's go ahead and do that. While I'm letting this wig dry, what I'm about to do is customize my wig. Customizing my wig is important so it can make sure it fits my head very well to my liking. So what I like to do is I like to get rid of at least the 3 combs in the front, and sometimes I like to get rid of the elastic band. The 3 combs in the front sometimes gives this hump illusion when I have the wig on, and I like to take the elastic band out as well, because this gives me headaches. So the only thing that I am leaving is the comb in the back, and when I want to tighten up my wigs and make sure it doesn't go anywhere and it stays in place, I use these side strings right here, and that's good enough for me. But all this extra stuff gotta go, so that's what I'm about to do.
It's J Mark.
Okay, so y'all see the hairline, and it's not too bad, you feel me? But what I need to do is I'm gonna do a little plucking. When the hair dries, the hairline is gonna get fuller and it's just gonna look crazy. But with the hairstyle that we are doing with this wig, it really doesn't matter if the hairline is plucked really good. So let me get into that. Alright y'all, so as y'all see, I already blow dried this hair. I have already flat ironed the hair as well. And I'm done plucking it too.
But do y'all see the quality of this hair right here? This hair looks good. Getty hair, I don't know what y'all doing up in that lab, but the quality of this human hair right here, I am in love with it. I am so geeked to install this wig. If you want to see how I install this wig, definitely stay tuned for next week's video. I already prepped my wig of how, in the hairstyle, kind of how I'm going to do it. But yeah, stay tuned for next week. And y'all see how I plucked it. You know, I'm not the best with plucking, but I do my thing when I need to do it. So yeah, leave your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And y'all already know, if you're not subscribed, then what? You're missing out on some good content, girl. So definitely stay tuned for next week's video. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. And yeah, thank y'all. Love y'all, my babies.